lugares a mi lado hasta que lo quiera Dios. Hoy sabrán cuánto te amo cuando por fin seamos dos. Y nunca estuve tan seguro de amar así sin condición. Mirándote, mi amor, te juro que ocultar por siempre nuestra unión. Hoy te prometo amor eterno, ser para siempre tuyo en el bien y en el mal. Hoy te demuestro cuánto te quiero, amándote hasta mi final. Set the scene on a broken man, and kerosene and a little lamp, and just enough light to make out a figure. She got the thunder under her command, she got the lightning in the palm of her hand, and then now for the sun we can make it through the winter. And I can feel her breathing now. I got the ice in my veins, I will melt, but I don't know how. I keep the fear in the back of my head, I keep a photograph under my bed, but she knows where I am, and they watch me almost every day. And I can take all the memories, and I can blow them to smithereens, but the ashes would fall and they'd recollect a figure. And I can feel her breathing now, and I'm inside my head and I think that it's time to get out.
Sayın Düğün şairi, Sayın Özlem Şirin, hiç kimsenin etkisi ve baskı altında kalmadan özgür iradenizi evlenmeyi kabul ediyor musunuz?
Evet.
Siz Sayın Özlem Şirin, Sayın Düğün şairi, hiç kimsenin etkisi ve baskı altında kalmadan özgür iradenizi evlenmeyi kabul ediyor musunuz?
Kesinlikle evet.
She got the thunder under her command, she got the lightning in the palm of her hand, and then now for the sun we can make it through the winter. Put your loving hand out, baby, 'cause I'm begging. boarding fast, 'cause I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, 'cause I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand